Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Diamonds with Allie. It's Allison. My plans got changed tonight, so I have some time to do a quick video. I got a Temu order in the mail today, but it just had one thing in it, so it'll be fast. I did open it because I'm expecting another diamond painting that looks like this, and I wasn't sure which one it was, so I did open it to see. It is the Temu one. I did order the other day, maybe even yesterday, I don't remember, a Dreamer Designs. They gave me a little pop-up that said that I could get a free painting if I just paid for shipping, so I tried that, and that'll be my first square, so I'm kind of nervous about that, but that's okay. And this one that I have here and that one are kind of similar, so that's why I opened it. I do have a couple other orders coming, so I was going to save this for those, but I might as well just, since I have time, I might as well just show it to you quick. So when those come in, I'll do another video. Hopefully soon. I'm not sure when, but yeah. I was supposed to go out tonight and be out now, but it's supposed to storm sometime tonight, and we're in a tornado watch, and people didn't want to go out, so with the weather. So the people I was going with, so that's okay. But anyway, let's just get into this. I did open it, like I said, so it comes with a regular tray. I don't use these trays, but some Diamonds by Tita says that she uses them as snack trays. She doesn't like them either, so this will be a snack tray. And I did get rid of all my other green ones, so I'm starting over again. And here's the bags. I'll show you those in a minute. The colors. But here's the painting. It's a 30 by 40. It has 17 colors. They're in number order and alpha order, but there's no number 1. Starts with number 2, so it goes 2 through 9, and then A through J without an I. So they are in number and alpha order, so that's nice. It's a rose. See if we can see it here in the picture. That shows up better than what I'm looking at, so that does look better. It's a rose with butterflies, a rainbow rose with butterflies. So the back, there's color blocking, but it's mostly all confetti with areas of color blocking. So like this area right here, this is all one color, and then this is all one color right in here, and then it up here is mess. If you like confetti, it's not a mess. Like, I like confetti, so and then this darker color in the rose is all color blocking, but the rest is confetti. So this will be fun. This could have been, put this in the description. I'll have to look at my Temu order. This could have been a penny item. I can't remember for sure. Something in my order I did get for a penny. So in the orders that I made. So gonna straighten this out real quick. I don't have much room here, so I wasn't going to, but needs it. So there's a really thick cover sheet. This might be double-sided tape, to be honest with you. Possibly. I can't. Actually, it kind of feels like glue, so I think it is. Oh, no. It's double-sided tape. See that? Yeah. So, I might just take it off since I started taking it off and do dot sticks on it to make it the other kind. I've never done double-sided tape, but I'm just afraid the tape will come off, I guess, for me. So I might work on that tonight, actually. And then put the cover sheet back on. What got me was it's a thicker cover sheet, so I thought maybe there's something going on. But yes, it is double-sided tape. There's some YouTube videos out there that show how to change double-sided tape to glue, so I might be watching those tonight. But that's what I'm going to do with it. Change it over to glue. And then I won't be starting it for a while anyway, so I have all my stuff kitted up. So kind of disappointing, but that's okay. Not a big deal. I have my first square coming, so might as well go big, I guess, and be different and learn. So, and these come in little baby bags. The drills come in little baby bags, which I actually like the baby bags. So, in the Ziploc bags. So, it is. So, there's a lot of different colors. It'd be rainbow colors, and then greens and dark for the stem and stuff. So, there's one weird bag in here, so I'm gonna look at it here quick. Oh, it's just an empty baggie. So, stuck an empty baggie in here. Everything else looks good. These are baby bags, if you can't see. It says just one color. That's what all these look like. So, yeah. I will probably work on this tonight. Work on I got the glue in here, actually. Work on the double-sided tape thing. And work on this. So I'm not bored since my plans got canceled. Anyway, for right now, I just thought I would show that to you. I'm glad I did open it. So that's all I've got for you. If you like to see diamond paintings and sports things, which we're kind of in a break right now from sports that I go to, and that kind of thing, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click the like button if you liked this video and the picture. If you have any help, if you can help me out a little bit with the double-sided tape thing, go ahead and put something in the comments. I'm going to work on it tonight and see how it turns out. So that's all. And then click the bell for whenever I upload a video, because I'll have a big Temu haul coming up when everything else gets here. I just was jumping the gun and opened that first. And then I might open my Dreamer Designs with that too. With that video too. So, anyway. So, click your bell and you'll know when that uploads. Whenever those get here. So, okay. So, sorry I'm rambling. That's all I've got for you. So, have a good night. Have a good Easter this weekend. And good time with family if you're with family. And family and friends. And I will talk to you on my next video. Alright, bye.